body temperature measurement system. Quick installation guide. To prevent and control the infection of new coronavirus, please wear a mask and measure your temperature in public. Body temperature measurement system. It is composed of thermal camera, black body, CMS software, and mounting brackets. It has characteristics of simple deployment, contactless temperature measurement, medical-grade accuracy, and high-efficiency prevention and control screening. How to install body temperature measurement system? Please note, 1. The black body should be installed where the thermal camera can see it. 2. Do not lower your head during measurement. 3. Please take off your cap before the temperature measurement. 4. Enter the room and measure the temperature after the temperature is stable. 5. Please set up tents outdoors to avoid the interference of wind, sunshine, high temperature, and reflective objects.